Last time on Danny Ray Lives, we were living the high life at an Airbnb in Hollywood for Christmas. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys all for tuning in to yet another Danny Ray Lives vlog. I'm so happy to have you guys here and watching. Today is a beautiful day. It's actually warm today. I am chilling on my couch in the van. Not really a couch, but I've made it into a couch with my bed as my pillow, my bench as my seat, and then my leg rest is the table. And I can lower the table and make it like a spare bed. It's kind of nice. So I'm making some coffee and tea. I have two options this morning because Dad wanted coffee, but Kern and I wanted tea. So we're gonna have some of that this morning and hang out and chill with just us. Sometimes I get too much in the go-go attitude and forget to slow things down a bit. So when we have mornings like this, we really like to soak it in. Peaceful mornings, no drama. All right, well, we are headed back down to Homestead today. We will be in Key Largo and the Keys tomorrow. And we will be in the Keys for the whole month of January, I think. So that'll be really, really exciting. We'll be on the boat. We'll be doing a lot of cool stuff. I am currently at a Cuban bakery. I am looking for some Cuban bread. We're gonna make Cuban sandwiches tonight for dinner. So I'm gonna get some Cuban bread for it. Well, off to the Homestead truck stop, but first I gotta stop at this Cuban bakery and get some Cuban bread. All right, I got my Cuban bread, got my loaf. It was only $1.60 for the Cuban bread, and then it was a few bucks for some Cuban guava and cheese pastries. So hopefully the crew likes it because yeah, I guess guava is a big thing for Cubans. They'll put guava in like their bread and in their pastries and stuff. So yeah, we got Cuban pastry to eat later, so I'm pretty excited. And now I am headed to the truck stop, and we're gonna stop there tonight and then head to the Keys tomorrow. So we're going to the Keys tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about it. But for tonight, we're gonna go to the truck stop, that Mexican truck stop that we were at before, which is actually a good spot. We really actually like it there. I picked up trash there, so I feel like it's my home a little bit. And we actually really liked it there. They don't care, whatever. You can do whatever. They don't care. And we like that. We get kicked out every other spot we go to, so it's nice that they don't really care at all. So we're gonna head there tonight. Well, this guy thinks he's cool. Busted right up in between me and another car sitting at a red left turn signal. And it looks like he's ready to try to go. Look at him. Red light. He's ready to go. This is what you get when you're around Miami. There he goes. Look at him. There he goes. That's nice. Yeah, we were just like in the lane first, but that's cool. You can go. We're taking a little bike ride before we cook our Cubans. Hey, we're doing it. Yeah, we're going to Rally Rouse. That was in the North Carolina episode. Please check that out if you haven't already. Link will be in the description below. Yay, bike rides. All right, so we got the pork cooking. I'm gonna shred it up. We got our ham and stuff. We got our Cuban dressing, which is just mustard and mayo. We bought some homemade chips from the lady down the street here, so that's gonna be really good. A couple of Coronas for Dad and I as well. We're gonna give one to our neighbor. And so yeah, I'm just gonna put these back in here. I don't think we're gonna eat these. So we are gonna feast pretty soon here. Alright everybody, well I am heading to bed. I'm going to do a little editing and then get some sleep. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I really appreciate it. I think we are actually going to be in the Keys finally. We're heading to the Keys. We're going to stay there. We'll spend New Year's in the Keys and we will be finally in the Keys for the whole month, I think. So I'm pretty excited. Boat's going to go in the water and we are going to enjoy the Keys. We're going to dive a little. So excited about the Florida Dive Series is finally here. 2 months of working our way down the coast and we'll finally be in the Keys. And then we're going to work our way back up the Gulf side. So that'll be cool. So thank you guys all for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this episode a like if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Next time on Danny Ray Lives, we feed a truck stop kitty and maybe rescue a dog too. More on that in a couple episodes. We get to the Keys and we have a great couple of days. So thank you guys everyone for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you thought it was good, and I'll see you in the next one.